Hello everyone, welcome to Placement Seeker sub channel. Teradata is hiring for the freshers as well as experienced candidates from any batch pass. So in this video, I will tell you who are eligible, how to register, step-by-step process, and what are the requirements for this vacancy. So don't skip this video and watch this video till end. If you are new here and watching our video for the first time, then let me tell you, we post the videos related to upcoming placements, different off-campus drives, and interview experience. So don't forget to like this video and to subscribe our channel Placement Seekers Hub so that you won't miss an opportunity. Some of the active job links are in the description, so check them out. Then you will click on a link provided in a description box. This Teradata career page will open up. Here you can see that the job role is Associate Test Engineer and location is Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. So firstly we will see what is Teradata. So Teradata helps business unlock values by turning data into their greatest assets, which means that generally the Teradata works within a cloud data. So here the summary description is primary responsibility will be testing of an maintenance of an ecosystem manager. The education required for this job is BS or MS in computer science or related field, which means that only the branches which are related to computer science or IT are eligible for this job, and experience required is 0 to 2 years. So freshers can also apply and experienced candidate can also apply. The key skills required for this is excellent problem solving skills and troubleshooting skills. Good verbal and written communication skills are required. Then knowledge of SQL and database are required, and ability to follow documented specification and plans within a minimal supervision. The desired skills but not required, which means they are looking for these skills, but it is okay if you don't have these skills in you. Then here are some of the project assignment, means what assignment you will be working on if you selected in this job, and key areas of responsibilities, which means what will be the responsibilities on you if you get selected for this job. So scope, what is the scope for this job, and the working environment will be software testing and maintenance. So for applying for this position, you have to just click on this apply tab. After clicking on this apply tab, this web page will open up. Here, if you already have a Teradata login account, then you just have to log in and apply for this job. But if you don't have the Teradata account, then you have to fill all the details, and after that you have to apply for this account. So that's all about the registration. If you stuck in between the registration, then let me know in the comment section. So thank you for watching this whole video.